into the world of authentic fan art with the all-new Spectrum Noir Fan Art Like a Pro art kits. Each DC Superheroes kit includes a carefully curated set of 10 markers, precisely color-matched to each design, ensuring you have the perfect shades at your fingertips. Inside each kit, you'll discover 12 iconic character line art designs, which are specifically printed on premium quality marker paper. Worried about your artistic skills? Don't be. These kits are designed for everyone, from newcomers to hobbyists. Inside the box, you'll find a quick start guide packed with expert know-how to get you started on your creative journey. With the combination of premium quality artists' materials and expert tuition resources, you'll be amazed at the professional results you can achieve. Unmask your creativity. Fan Art Like a Pro art kits by Spectrum Noir.